So not too long ago, a company called Cinoton reached out to me via email and invited me to check out their latest solar LED floodlights. Now, it seemed to be perfect timing for me as I was in the market for some additional outdoor lighting. My kids like to play basketball in the evenings, and the garage coach lights just don't provide enough lighting to light up the carport and a basketball hoop. So I thought floodlights mounted up higher on the house might provide better lighting, and I'd hope these solar lights might be a perfect fit. So they sent me a 2-pack of what they call solar outdoor motion sensor floodlights. These lights have 181 LED beads, and they have adjustable wings that provide up to 270 degrees of a wide angle. Their website says it produces up to 1200 lumens, and they claim that their 2200 milliamp battery will have a lifespan of 50,000 hours, and that it can reach a full charge with just a few hours of sunlight. So it's got 3 different modes. To activate mode 1, you press the little button there and hold it for 3 seconds. Then it turns on nice and bright. This will allow it to be off when there's no motion, and then when it detects motion, it goes into bright mode. And then after 15 seconds, it'll turn back off. If you press the button again, it goes into the second mode, which is dim, except for when it detects motion, it'll go back to bright. And then after 15 seconds, it'll go back to dim and remain on dim. If you press it a third time, it goes to dim mode and it stays on dim mode all night long. Motion doesn't do anything to it. So those are the 3 modes. So I have coach lights on my home that help put out some light on this patio or this carport here. But you'll see it's pretty dark where the hoop is. It lights up the left side here, but not the right side. So typically we'll bring out some additional lighting out here, plug it in. The problem is it's almost eye level and it's blinding. So wherever we put it out here, it's kind of blinding. So I was hoping to put the floodlights up there and then it would shine down and light up the whole court and not be right in our eyesight, but it would light up the whole floor and everything. Unfortunately, this light is not quite bright enough to do that. So I'll turn it on. You'll see, okay, here's the floor. It'll give it a little bit of additional light. Here's without, here's with, without, with. So it doesn't do a whole lot. You know, we would need it way out here with us to light up this side. It's just not quite bright enough to help from up there anyways. So I decided to install this right by my back gate. There's no lighting there, and we have the trash cans just behind the gate, so at night it's really hard to see them. So I thought this might be might put off enough light right at this spot. Installation is super simple. You just use the provided screws that came with the kit, and if you're installing in drywall, it came with the drywall anchors. I don't need those, so I'll just screw directly into the fascia of my home up here. The light itself is super lightweight, so it really doesn't need a whole lot to hold up. All I do is screw in the 2 screws. I kind of just pre-measure by looking to see the distance up there. I line it up where I want it. Screw in the 2 screws and then just hang it right on top. So here it is at nighttime, coming towards that back gate. Not a lot of light back there. As soon as I get, I don't know, within 10 feet, the light kicks on and it puts off plenty of light for what we need it for on that side yard. If I open up that gate, it lights up the back where the trash cans are just perfectly. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this light for what it is. I probably shouldn't have expected so much. I have regular floodlights in my backyard, which are very bright and light up the whole backyard. I think in my mind, I was expecting a bright light like that out in the front, but maybe it's not possible with solar. You know, that's the beauty of this. You don't have to have an outlet. You don't have to have existing hardwired power. You can put this anywhere where you get sunlight, and living in Arizona, that's everywhere. If you guys know of a brighter LED light, I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna try to find one, maybe a larger one, something that puts out more light and that will really flood that whole driveway for me. That would be amazing if there's something like this that will do that. But I can't believe how cool technology is that you can have lights for 50,000 plus hours from the sun. I have a second one. I'm going to put it somewhere else on another side yard where there's no light, and it's pretty neat. So any comments, questions, put it in the comments section below. Thanks to Cinoton for sending these out to me. I appreciate it. Thanks guys for your support. Please like, subscribe, and share.